Okay, so I went to bed last night with the blackout curtains, no alarm, just knew that I had to wake up. My checkout is at 10. I woke up at 9:58. So now I'm like scrambling, trying to pack everything up. I messaged them asking if I could have an extra hour. But whatever, I'm packing up. So I'm gonna pack up and then I'm gonna hit the road and go to Seville, which is about 2.5 hours away. So driving from Marbella to Seville today, there's several routes to take. This route is the most fuel efficient, saves 21% on gas according to Google. It's the most direct. It takes 10 minutes longer and there's no tolls on it, so I have time. So yeah, let's go. But what I really like about it is it must be an older highway before the more efficient ones came in, because it's just meandering through these rolling hills, and it's such a beautiful drive. Like, it's so pretty. I don't know if, of course, as I say that, it's kind of, you can't really see much, but I had like some beautiful views just coming through this valley, and now I'm in the valley, and it's all just, it's so pretty. So I think I'm gonna have a good, relaxing, peaceful drive today, and then when I get to Seville, I think I'm gonna find, well, I'll check into my place to find parking, and then I think I'm gonna wander around, see if there's like a cute little shop cafe where I can set up and work from for a bit before I go back to the place. Oh well, took a wrong turn. It's okay, it added on 4 minutes, but when I was doing my turnaround, this was literally right off the roundabout. So I think I'm gonna go in. Day 5, I'm gonna go eat breakfast at a Spanish restaurant and not just order from the supermarket. So really the best thing that could have happened. Gracias. Maybe a sandwich. I don't know what I ordered, but it's really good. I ordered a ham and cheese sandwich. I like it. Okay, that is a wall of black I am headed to. I checked the forecast, and the severe weather that hit me in Marbella and Malaga is now traveling to Seville, as I am as well. So it looks like I've caught up to it and we're about to hit it. I just had the most beautiful drive, and now look behind those wind turbines. It's just a wall of purple gray. Wow. Otherwise though, a gorgeous drive. But yeah, oh boy. Okay. Okay, so I'm in Seville now, and I came here for 2 o'clock, which my Airbnb opens at 3, maybe I could get in at 2, but first I want to do some sightseeing, and there's actually a very important place in Seville that I really wanted to see. It was kind of like #1 on my bucket list. Seville is well known for it. Just like very popular destination in general, I think. A Spanish Costco! I'm so excited. I can't wait to see what they have. I'm not gonna buy anything because I don't need anything in bulk. Okay, I'll definitely buy some stuff. But like, how fun! How fun! I think I just like, it's like I'm back in Canada. It doesn't feel like I'm in Spain at all. This is Oh, this is so funny. This is actually like the exact layout of the Edmonton Costco. Or Calgary. Honestly, Kelowna too. I'm quite the connoisseur of Costco's. Oh my god, this is so funny. Okay, got my haul. It'll be nice to just have some water, some nice sparkling water, some snacks on standby in the car. The fresh fruit looked amazing. Just grabbed a couple things. Obviously I couldn't do a full shop, why would I? But yeah, what an experience. I love it. So I was working and like I was getting a lot done because I have a nice workstation here, and then out of nowhere the desk just like it's held on by one screw and it just ripped out of the wall, and the whole thing went falling, and my metal water bottle just went clanging, my mouse went flying. So now I've got my work stuff and no desk. So the one time I actually get like a nice work setup so far, night one, I'm only like, let's see, it's not even 11 a.m. back home. I'm only 3 hours into the workday. I just lost my desk. So I guess it's back to like sitting in bed working. Ugh, so frustrating. Okay. It's 2 a.m. I've done my day of work. I'm very happy with my day of work. I think I got a lot done. But tomorrow, Friday, is going to be even busier. So, but it looks like it's going to be warm and cloudy in the city. So I'm going to walk around the old center, which I'm very close to. Everything is within a half-hour walking distance. So I'll go around and then I'll come back here and I will put in another full work day. Good night. Good morning, Seville. So after yesterday's disaster, I decided to embrace today's exploring. Ooh, it's sunny out there. So, thought I would dress up, walk around town, go look at some old buildings, and then today's Friday, so it's my last day of work this week, which means I want to get a lot done. So I'm only going to try and explore for a couple hours. I want to be back here by at least 2 p.m. So I've entered Old Town, and I've got a lot of places that I want to walk to, but all I can think about is the fact that I forgot to put on bike shorts underneath this dress, and I've been walking 30 minutes. It's already 18 degrees, getting warm, getting sweaty. The chafing is gonna be unbearable, so we'll see how far I can actually make it. I guess it's the Cathedral of Seville. Oh, can't wait to go there. Wow. And just like that, the thigh chafe is completely forgotten about. This is massive. So I just got tickets to Plaza de Toros de Maestranza. It is the oldest bullfighting ring in Spain, and they actually still host bullfighting here Maybe it's ethical, maybe not, I don't know. But it's also a museum of all the art over the years. And then in there, it's a stadium. So I guess I'm just in the background for now. Oh, look at him. So this is still actively used. One more stop. Been walking around the city for several hours now. It's getting close to time when I should head back to get ready to work. But I wanted to make one stop into this park, and I'm so happy I did. Just look at it. So one benefit to wearing a dress that is double lined, if you forget to wear shorts underneath and you're getting the thigh chafe, you can bunch up the inner liner and shove it between your legs. So it just sits there. You'll still have to adjust it every now and then, but I would not have survived this day without it. So I'm walking back to my place to work for the night. And while I'm walking, I figure I might take the time to explain my arrival yesterday. It was an absolute mess, and it was all my fault. I told him I'd show up at 2, and I thought that it was just his place that I was staying at, and he was home, so I could just swing by, which wasn't the case. He ended up reserving a parking spot for me, but I was late, so I missed it, and he just wanted me to pick up the keys. So I brought my car there. I didn't have a parking spot. I tried to get into the parking lot. I go out, I go around. I have like this lovely Nigerian man help me. I pay him $1 to get me a parking spot, and then I'm coming in and I've got all my Costco stuff and I just dump it all over the lobby. There's my poke bowl, so there's rice, edamame, avocado, seaweed salad, and raw fish just all over the lobby, and it wasn't even the right lobby. I had gone into the wrong one. Meanwhile, this poor guy is just like, where are you? And I finally get there. He yells at me in Spanish. I try to apologize in Spanish, and then I get to work and the desk in my room breaks. It rips out of the wall. It was held by one screw, and the screw was just into drywall. It wasn't even like put in a stud. So clearly the desk had never been tested before. I just had a laptop on it, and that was enough for it to fall apart. So not off to a good start. But this morning I was talking with the guy, and he seemed very lovely. He was helping me peel my pomegranate, and yeah, I think we're better now. So I'm gonna head back, eat lunch and eat dinner inside, and then get to work.